Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this earlier where I joined all these nodes, and then I was trying to think of some other ways you could do it, and if you didn't see that video, we shift selected this, and then went up to Windows, had my dock, should have already had this open, join curves, and it joined it and made it one line, then we deleted the line. And you'd have to do that for every one, it's quite a bit of steps. So I started thinking, we use the, why don't we just use this path that we want? And we did it with the blend tool. We're going to take this and we're going to open up the blend docker, and we're going to blend it 45 times. We're going to put it on a new path. We're going to blend and rotate all objects, and the line can be I took out the other line of the object. Now our line can be, so we need to watch this, just take all this and go to object and break the blend apart, and then I would take all object and group and ungroup it. And then we can take this line and make it our line. Now in the original, there are gaps between the stitch here. Well, it might be a little easier to use the knife tool. And if we use the knife tool, I'm going to raise this up to like 0.05. It's set on gaps. I've got it set on keep it to outlines, because if you don't, it'll automatically convert it to an object and fill it. Well, then all you have to do is go between, and this would be, I think would be a little faster. And look at that. You could go pretty close right down the middle to every one of them with the knife tool, and you're getting that stitch. Of course, if you were doing it for real, you'd want to zoom in and make sure you're there. And you could change the gap. You know, I'm getting right in the middle, or trying to, and it looks pretty good, and it's a little faster. It's a one-step process, but that's the gap tool. And I also had the line before I started with round end caps, so it would be rounder, much like his other items. Pretty cool. I think this would be a lot faster for him. You know, that go right down the middle. So with the knife tool, you need to press down your left mouse button and drag it across. And this makes life to me, a little easier. Anyway, a little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.